What's up guys, OnePlus is going to launch the brand new smartphone series OnePlus 10 and OnePlus 10 Pro. Thanks to OnePlus CEO who have tweeted all the specs of OnePlus 10 series. I will discuss in this video also. Let's have a look. OnePlus 10 series is going to launch in January 2022 and probably the date would be 11 Jan 2022. But we don't know when OnePlus 10 series will launch internationally or will come to India. I think this will come to India pretty soon. So OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. This is an LTPO second gen AMOLED display which produces 1 billion colors and with a 120Hz high refresh rate. OnePlus 10 Pro Quad HD Plus display is not an 1080p display and also comes with a 526 ppi pixel density, and as it is a Super AMOLED display, that's why it also supports always on display. Moving to the chipset of this smartphone, this OnePlus 10 Pro supported by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 which is based on 4nm architecture, and also the GPU used here is Adreno 730. Moving to the internal of this smartphone, we have three variants. This comes with 8GB RAM 128GB variant and another is 8GB 256, and it also supports UFS 3.1 and LPDDR5X RAM. The optics here is 48 megapixel main camera with YS, 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3.3 times optical zoom, and also it comes with YS and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. So as we know, OnePlus is collaborated with Hasselblad and this is their second gen partnership. You can shoot 8K 30fps video thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. You can also shoot 4K 30, 60 or 120 fps. As compared to last year OnePlus 9 series, this year OnePlus 10 series comes with 32 megapixel front camera with a 2.2 aperture. But unfortunately this front camera can shoot video up to 1080p 30fps, not 1080p 60 or fancy 4K. OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a dual stereo speaker, but there are no headphone jack, so you have to use adapter or use Bluetooth phone. This comes with 5000 mAh massive battery and also comes with 80 watt superbook charging and also fast charging of 50 watt. Even some of the smartphone comes with a 25 watt wired charging. Here we get 50 watt wireless charging, and it also support USB PD charging. This smartphone also comes with IP68 dust and water resistant, and this is water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Body of the smartphone is quite sturdy, comes with a front and back with Gorilla Glass protection and a aluminum frame. No micro SD card support here, so you have to choose your accordingly what storage you need. OnePlus 10 series will come with Android 12 and it also will be based on OS 12 in India and internationally, but in China this is based on Android 12, but that is their ColorOS 12. If you concerned about Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, this comes with Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E. All the latest generation chipset and all the latest generation hardware used here. Let's see how much it will perform in real life. The expected price of OnePlus 10 Pro would be around 53,000 or 54,000, but we are not sure about it. Let's wait till launch in India. This is the video of OnePlus 10 series. Alright, this is pretty much all we know till date about OnePlus 10 series. Tell me your thought about this smartphone and about these launches, and tell me what you want to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. My name is Padmanabha. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.